Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing April's and June. Wow, no. Today is going to be March and April's top box. These are exactly the same size and everything this month, or last 2 months, I guess. So let's just start with March, and this is what the box looks like. Seems to be only a few items in here, so let's just start off with the first one that I see that I definitely recognize, the bubble wrap. So this is, wow, I've been sitting here. This is definitely an old nail polish. It's separated, so that means it's definitely not brand new. This is Rosy Cheeks, it's called. This is a Morgan Taylor nail polish. See what it actually looks like. I'm probably not keeping this. It's too pink. To be honest, I don't wear nail polish very often. But, so there's that. This is a full-size product. In here, there is something from Benefit, and this is a coupon for getting some extra points on your Optimum card from shoppers. If you spend $75 before taxes on Benefit. Yeah, that's probably not gonna happen. All right, so I'm just gonna go into, I guess, the Benefit products. So number one is, this must be a new line from Benefit. This is the Professional Deep Retreat Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. Oh. Let's see what this looks like. Inside it says, laughter is the best cosmetic. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's a very tiny little tin. This is only like 10 milliliters. And it says, Dry Retreat Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. Let's open it up. Oh, it's kind of purpley. It smells like blueberries. Is that weird that it smells like blueberries? So this is a clay mask. I don't really love masks that are like this. I like sheet masks, and that's kind of the only masks I usually wear. But I will try this, I think. I do like Benefit products, so yeah. So there's that. And then the next thing is this here. And this is the Professional Get Unblocked Pore Cleansing Makeup Removing Cleansing Oil. Okay. That was a bit of a mouthful. Let's see what this looks like. This is what it looks like here. This is 19 milliliters. This is very small. This is definitely like a deluxe size product. And then you just twist this and it comes out. So I think this is a face wash. Apply to dry hands, massage through your face. Okay, no, so this actually will get rid of makeup. So it's one of those, like, it's kind of like a makeup remover cleansing balm to get rid of makeup, but not to actually wash your face. So there's that. Then it says to use the Good Cleanup Foaming Cleanser afterwards. So yeah, I will try this because, I mean, why not? And then the last thing in March's box is this here, and this is from Clarins Paris again, and this is a hand and nail treatment balm. Oh, okay, so it intensely nourishes, softens, and targets age spots. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, so it's the very similar regular 8 milliliter little container of cream, but this is for your hands and nails, so that's new. I didn't realize Clarins made hands and nail products, so there's that. So I guess this box isn't too bad. I'm not going to be using this, and the nail polish, but everything else seems pretty good. All right, now for April's box. Let's see what is in here. Let's open this up. What is, so, oh, look at that. The first thing in here is another Benefit pamphlet. I think these boxes are going to be doing a lot of Benefit products. Okay, so that is what the rest of it looks like. So let's just jump right into the Benefit product. So in here is a 1 ounce. So it's not very big. This is just like the mini kind of regular mascara size. This is the Roller Lash mascara in black. So Nothing fancy. Then another Clarins product. I wonder who is getting most of the advertising for this box. Clarins Paris, obviously. This is a 2 milliliter Calm Essential Restorative Oil Treatment. For what is my question? Well, let's see what this looks like. That is very small. Okay. Let's see what this says. Where's the towel to use? Okay. This is a nourishing oil with the essential sensory treatment for sensitive, fragile skin, formulated with mineral ingredients for maximum tolerance and effectiveness. Apply preferably at night. Sure. I have a feeling it's supposed to be like a oil for your face. Okay, so then there are 2 more items in here, and I think they're both full size. So the next one is, this is from Laritzi, and this is, I don't know what this is. It says, oh, it's a lip gloss in the color Old Rose. Not a huge fan of lip glosses. I'm wearing one today, but it's very brown. It looks like there's a tiny bit of sparkle in here, but not very much. This is an Old Rose, it's called. So there is that. This is a full-size product, so that's nice. And then the last thing in here is from Kinder Beauty. This is a Mystified Shower Mist. I don't know what that means. Okay, let's read this. Spray mist into shower to create an aromatic spa experience with essential oils, lavender and eucalyptus. Okay, it says directions. You spray in the shower or bath to create a spa-like aromatherapy. Shower mist can also be used in a room for a Shower mist can also be used in rooms to help sanitize stale air. Shower mists like to go on vacation. Oh, shower mists like to go on vacation too. Don't forget to pack yours on your next trip, it says. Okay. I'm gonna take the lid off of this and see what this actually smells like. Oh my gosh, where's the, oh, that is a lot of packaging for this. I might be breaking the rules by spraying this not in the shower. Okay, let's just, oh, I just got it on my face. I mean, it doesn't smell like lavender or eucalyptus. I mean, it smells all right though. Would I be spraying this in my shower? Probably not. I mean, it doesn't smell bad, but it sure doesn't smell like what it's supposed to smell like. And to be honest, this is definitely not coming on vacation with me. I mean, it probably would be good as a bathroom deodorizer, you know, like when you go on vacation, but yeah. So out of all of these products for this month of April, I think the only thing I'm probably going to keep is none of it. I might keep this. I'm not keeping the lip gloss. I don't like their roller lash, and I would really maybe have to look into this because I really don't know what this oil is supposed to be for. So yeah. All right, well, that was everything for March and April's top box. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.